Calabar High made a clean sweep of the High School Boys Championship of America Relays on Saturday's final day of competition at the 124th Penn Relays at Franklin Field in Philadelphia. The team of Malik James King, Anthony Danvers, Shemar Chambers and Christopher Taylor recorded a brilliant 3 minutes 03.79 seconds in the 4x400 meters to erase last year's record of 3:08.59, which they had done to win the event. Taylor's split on the ankle leg was clocked at 44.84 seconds, the fastest ever in Penn Relay's history. He was also named the High School Boys Athlete of the Meet for the relay events. The top 6 places were completed by Petersfield, Kingston College, Jamaica College, Homewood Technical and Edwin Allen. Calabar was also in record-breaking form in the 4x800 meters, where the quartet of Devon Gale, Rivaldo Marshall, Kimar Farquharson and Javante Williams posted 7 minutes 26.09 seconds to break the old record of 7 minutes 30.67. St. Elizabeth Technical and Jamaica College were second and third respectively. Calabar's sweep on the day started in the 4x100 meters Championship of America event as the team of Rashawn Young, Christopher Taylor, Tyreek Wilson and Dejure Russell stormed home in 39.51 seconds to successfully defend their title. Kingston College, Jamaica College, Papine and St. Jago were second, third, fourth and fifth respectively. Meanwhile, Boys Champs and Carifta Games champion Ravane Williams of Rhodes Hall High School continued his good form when he landed the High School Boys 400 meters hurdles championship in 51.22 seconds. Elsewhere, there was one victory for Jamaica in the USA versus the World Relay Series. The women's sprint relay team of Gayan Evans, Karen Stewart, Shiloni Calvert-Powell and Jura Levy posted 43.14 seconds to land the top honors. Christine Day, Anastasia Leroy, Rhonda White and Tiffany James returned to 3 minutes 28.59 seconds for the runner-up spot. Behind that's in the women's mile relay, where there were third place finishes for the women's sprint medley team, as well as the men's 4x100 and 4x400 meters quartets. Jamaica's team was disqualified in the men's sprint medley.